Stay Healthy presents 7 foods you need to eat to help stop snoring. Sometimes snoring can be attributed to the diet of the person. Right from the beginning, the reasons for snoring is distinguished by the narrowing of the passage of the throat. This process of breathing can develop vibrations or snoring. However, this can be caused by the following reasons, such as obesity, improper tongue position, and your diet, as well as oral issues. It is very easy to fix diet-causing snoring by simply eating the right foods. Next is a list of 7 foods that you must intake to stop snoring. Honey. Honey usually contains natural sugars and other important nutrients, which are greatly helpful for fighting against snoring at nighttime. This natural thick substance can cover the throat and also works well to control congestion. The benefits of taking honey are helping people from snoring by delivering melatonin, which is a natural hormone that regulates sleep patterns. The exact level of this hormone allows you to have a peaceful sleep, full night's sleep. Tofu. This meat can be from East Asia that is made like cheese. Soy milk is used to make the substitute instead of using cow milk, and then processed to create tofu. Now, many people use this regularly for losing weight. It contains a lot of nutrients and a lot fewer calories. As like oily fish, tofu can also deliver much smoother and rhythmic breathing during the night's sleep. Rosemary. Due to its delicious flavor, it is widely used in several recipes. Actually, rosemary can enhance your health, and the tiny herb contains powerful medical properties. It has power to significantly minimize snoring. Garlic. When you consume garlic, it will absorb the sulfurous substances that act as decongestants for lungs. Garlic contains some properties that fight against infections. When you eat raw garlic, it will minimize swelling that you have in your throat, as well as take care of several odd breathing sounds which are produced while sleeping. Almonds. This nut has a high nutritional value that provides a significant amount of healthy fats to your body. Drinking the milk made from almonds or consuming almonds every day can strengthen the throat tissues. Olive oil. Olive oil is broadly used in the Mediterranean diet. This oil is one of the awesome choices to use in any recipe. It contains plenty of fatty acids and has anti-inflammatory properties that fight against the unpleasant obstructions which occur overnight. Fish. Specifically, the fish of an oily variety, which will include a lot of health advantages. Oily fish has a large amount of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which are well known to minimize cholesterol, that is highly recommended for a healthy and strong diet. The fatty acids in fish can relax the throat and also diminish the breathing issues related to snoring. To current subscribers, thank you for being a part of this community. Please remember to help this channel grow by liking and sharing. If this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe to Stay Healthy, the channel that gives you natural health information. Subscribe now and leave a comment below.